Hey guys, my name is Bharat and welcome to another Investing in Germany video. So in this video, I actually want to tell you about how much money I spent in trading fee, which is the fee that brokerages charge whenever you're buying something or selling something for 1 year. So I started investing on 20th January 2020 and I have calculated all of the trades and all of the buy and sell orders till 20th January 2021. So one complete year. And of course, going through all of these trades took a lot of time. So towards the end, if you find this video helpful, just give a like and share it with your friend. That would be really helpful. So at the time when I started investing, I was only aware about Trade Republic because that was the most talked about broker in Germany. So I was like, okay, this is nice because you're just paying €1 for buying something or €1 for selling something. But I had no idea that €1 add up so quickly. And just this morning when I was doing all of those calculations, I was just having massive regrets why I did not shift to any other platform like earlier. The only solid competition that I see with Trade Republic is Scalable Capital because they have a lot of variety. If you take a look at the trading costs, they are comparable. So Scalable Capital charges you 99 cents per trade, whereas Trade Republic charges you €1. So I do not see a massive difference here. I wouldn't haggle about 1 cent. But if you take a look at the flat trading fee, if you are with Prime Broker, which costs around like €36 on Scalable Capital, you have to pay no fees whatsoever. So like you can execute as many trades as you want, you can sell as many times as you want. The Scalable Capital broker is not going to charge you anything at all, which is not an option at all with Trade Republic. On the other hand, if you also see like on Scalable Capital, you have ETF providers like Vanguard, which is very nice, and you cannot find it on Trade Republic, which is also something which I didn't like because ETFs are a great way to invest for beginner investors. So if you're having lesser choice already on a broker that you're using, then it heavily reduces your options. So now I'm going to take you to the screen, show you what kind of trades I did in which month, how much the total cost was for me to invest on Trade Republic, and how it would have been different if I would have just gone with Scalable Capital from the very starting. But again, like I said, I had no idea at that time. But I'll be doing the change from Trade Republic to Scalable Capital. It's already on the way. I received the confirmation from Trade Republic that they are going to start the entire depot transfer very soon. Scalable Capital has already confirmed. The application has went through. So within the next 1 week or 2 weeks, I will have my entire portfolio going from Trade Republic to Scalable Capital. So let me take you to the screen and show you whatever I have calculated this entire morning today. So here, if you take a look, I have all of these different kind of transactions that I did, and I have put them up together so that I could see like, what was I paying every single month. So when I did all of these calculations, I was nicely using my iPad and pencil to kind of like just have a better idea of it, because if I would be doing manually with every single screenshot on the computer, it would have been difficult. Here I just write, in what kind of months I made a buy order or a sell order. So when I did all of this, towards the end, it turned out that I was spending around €94 for one entire year on Trade Republic. January was €6, Feb €12. So this is cumulative costs. That means like the costs just keep on adding up so that I can see what's the final number in the end. Whereas if I take a look at the per month cost, so January was €6, Feb €6, March €1, April €4, June, July, I was not trading or like, investing or purchasing or selling much because I did not have any money. So August €12, September €10, October €4, November €18, December €24, and January €9. Now December generally, like, you see a lot of people trading a lot because this is called loss harvesting. So any of the stocks or something that are underperforming, many people sell them in December so that they do not have to pay a lot of capital gains tax in the end. In the hindsight, that was a good decision. So I'm not having any kind of problems with that. So if you see like already in September, I was reaching €39. And if you take a look at Trade Republic's offering, like you do not have any kind of like, prime broker option or something like Scalable offers. And if you take a look at Scalable Capital's offer, if you want to have a flat fee and you do not want to pay anything at all, you're just paying €35.88. So in September already, I would have been better off with Scalable Capital than with Trade Republic. And even if I would have made the change in September already, and I would have paid the additional €36, which would have brought the cost here to around €74, I would have still saved €20 of trading fee just because I would be then on Scalable Capital and not Trade Republic, and I'm not paying any fee whatsoever for buying or selling anything when I'm on the prime broker plan of Scalable Capital. This is, something like very interesting, and I'm also like having huge regrets after like, going through all of these transactions, like that this is a lot more fee and some of this could be avoided. Especially like, when you're trying to save something, you should make sure that you're not spending money on unnecessary places. And for me, for example, doing all of these purchases and selling of stocks and ETFs and so on, like these are costs which don't necessarily need to be there. If you have other brokers like Robinhood and Webull, you see with them, like you're not paying anything at all. Like in Germany, of course, like, you're paying something, but I would like to have that cost minimized. So that's why I found Scalable Capital better. And also if you're living in Germany, Scalable Capital will already transfer whatever taxes and stuff you have to the Finanzamt directly, which is also very convenient. That means you do not have to file out a separate tax declaration when you are investing via Scalable Capital. Trade Republic does the same thing. So that's why in general, if you're using German brokers when you're living in Germany, that becomes a lot more convenient so that you can have lesser work at the end when you're filing your taxes. So that's very important. And also because I've seen now how crazy the difference is, I'm going to go ahead and shift to Prime Broker, because again, I also have the 35 euro sign-up bonus. So if I have 35 euro sign-up bonus and I'm shifting today, so essentially I will be paying only 88 cents for trading for free for the entire next year, which is very nice. And like you guys know, I'm all about saving money and investing in the right places, and 88 cents for an entire year of investing, essentially completely for free, that sounds like a wonderful deal for me. Now the sign-up bonus is both valid for the people who are signing new. So if you want to have a second depot other than any other depot that you're having right now, or if you want to start investing and you want to open your depot with Scalable Capital, anybody who signs up new is getting the 35 euro sign-up bonus when you choose for the Prime Broker, not for the Free Broker. And also anybody who is already a customer and they're shifting from Free Broker to Prime Broker, they're also getting the 35 euro sign-up bonus. So here, when you are already a customer, you can just directly go to Broker, and then you can go to Plan Wechseln. Then you can click on Wechseln on the Prime Broker. So like you have to make sure that there are two options. It is not available on Prime Broker Flex because you're paying monthly. But if you pay the entire cost yearly, then of course you can choose the Prime Broker, and this is where you get the 35 euro sign-up bonus. So I'll do Auf Prime Wechseln, and then I will just close, and they're going to just directly take out the money from my bank account. And that's it. So that's pretty much how simple it is. And I know that many times when you're starting out, you make mistakes. And what I'm doing by making these videos and telling you guys these things is all of those mistakes that I've done myself, so that you can avoid doing it yourself. What you have to remember is like making mistake is fine, but not even trying at all just because you're scared that something will screw up, that is the wrong approach to life. That's why take your first step today. I think a deal like this you will not find on Scalable Capital for a very long time. Use my link given in description, brandadvice.com/scalablecapital, to open your depot with Scalable Capital, or if you're already a customer, just switch from your Free Broker to Prime Broker. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. And also on Instagram, I'm going to share with you what the followers on the Brandadvice Instagram account guessed how much I essentially spent on fees on Trade Republic just for 1 year. So for that, you can take a look at my Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.